Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Nut Milk Maker, AlfaBot Soy Milk Machine, Automatic Almond Milk Machine. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Powerful motor. Our AlfaBot Nut Milk Maker features a powerful motor and 6 durable stainless steel blades that quickly blends and strains your nuts to create a smooth and creamy milk without any grit or pulp. The machine is also equipped with a filter funnel that strains out any pulp or residue, leaving you with a perfectly smooth and silky milk every time. Simple operation. Using AlfaBot Soy Milk Maker is simple. Just add your nuts to the machine with water, and press the button to start the blending and straining process. You can also add sweeteners, flavors, and other ingredients to customize your milk to your liking. Experience the joy of making your own delicious and nutritious nut milk with our N1 Nut Milk Maker. Create healthy plant-based milk. With our soy milk machine, you'll be able to enjoy fresh, delicious nut milk that's free from preservatives, additives, and any other unwanted ingredients. It's the perfect way to create healthy and sustainable plant-based milk that's good for you and the environment. Order yours today and take your plant-based diet to the next level. Versatile. The Nut Milk Maker machine is versatile and can be used to make a variety of plant-based milks, including almond milk, cashew milk, coconut milk, and more. It's also great for making dairy-free alternatives to cream, yogurt, and cheese. Food-grade materials. This almond cow milk machine maker is made of high-quality, food-grade materials that are easy to clean and maintain, ensuring that you can enjoy your homemade nut milk for years to come. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.